I'm Angel Posadas-Miller, and I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about this newborn prop. It's my Shaggy Loops Nest Clouds, and a few of you had asked how it works. I've had this concept since last year. I just never really put it out there, and lately I've been getting a lot of orders for these. They're pretty versatile. It was made to be a scarf at first, and then I had put it on in a basket to put on hold for a while so I can work on it, and I thought it would be perfect to be a prop for a newborn. So it comes out as pretty much like a boa. Here is the texture. This is the popular color, which is the creamy natural. I don't know if you can see here, but you can shape it into a heart, you can shape it into a circle, you can shape it into an oval, you can go ahead and coil it around, do it round. You can put the newborn in the middle of, I'm using my phone so you can see how that works. There's lots of texture. This is just a single fiber yarn, and it's a beautiful lustrous boucle type yarn that's plied. And I wanted to show you how it would, here's one of my baskets, or actually one of my bowls, and just you can go ahead and put it on here. It's super soft. You can go ahead and fix it the way you want to. See? I do have other colors. I have a few orders going out actually. I just wanted to show you these. This one I've sold quite a bit of lately. This is the Purple Haze, and this is actually multi-textured. I have like probably 3 different textures running through this, and there's about 5 different colorways. There's grays, there's lavender, there's 2 different types of textured yarn, or actually 3 types, and this one does cost just a little bit more because there are multiple fibers, and so it's a little bit heavier too. But it also makes a great boa, great for those maternity shoots, for a chest cover, a boudoir, depending on the color, because you know, if you're going to do boudoir picks or maternity picks, they would go great to cover with. And they're super soft. You can shape into a heart, which I have sort of. I'm doing this one-handed, but I wanted you to see the versatility of this item. I'm coiling it around, put the baby in here, makes a great, sort of like a garland, I guess. Here's my backdrop. Well, not my backdrop, it's one of those floor mats, I guess, that I got from Tabitha Frohart Johnson. She had sent this to me from TFJ Designs, which I thank her for. She's fabulous. But I wanted you to see. You can put the baby in the middle, put it in a basket, prop a pillow at the bottom, and then put this at the top. So, and this has some different textures. This has some chenille or suede actually, and some other texture yarns. This one is my bamboo one. I wanted you to see. I don't know if I'm getting true colors on this one, but this is the camera I have at hand right now. But I want you to see the texture. There's very little like blues in here, but it's mainly tans and greens and a little bit of beige. But the possibilities are pretty endless. I love the multi-textured ones. This is a pretty weighty one too. So again, coiled up, it almost does look like a shag rug type. But again, it's pretty long. They will range mainly about 5 to 6 feet, depending on how much I have, but I make sure they go past 5 feet. It is all U.S. shipping. International rates do apply because of the weight. If it were under 13 ounces, then I would go ahead and have this free international ship, but because of the weight, it does cost a little bit more. And here's a new one that I have right now. I'm working on more. See, this one is a spring sherbet color. Is pinks and mint in it, but totally soft and pastel-y. But yeah, these will range between $45 to a little past $50, depending on if you do custom order and you have different colors in mind. So pretty much can do pretty much anything. But I wanted to go ahead and show you so you have an idea of how this works. Like I said, shapeable, bendable, coilable, and I wanted to let you know I do this by hand. Like, I swear I'm stitching each by hand. There is a core. You can see the chain here in the middle, sort of. But it's very, very tight. I mean, seriously, it's hurting my hands. But I really love the outcome of this. Just don't pull on the loops, because if you do, it will possibly unravel. But I did it so tight to where it should be okay. I would not machine wash this. I would go ahead and hand wash it if it does soil. Squeeze it, all the moisture with a towel as much as you can, and then air dry, and then just give it a little shake, a little fluff. But I wanted to go ahead and show you my nest cloud here, and I know many of you are interested, so I wanted to give you guys a little look-see to see how this works. Any questions, go ahead and PM me or leave me a comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.